you were active in the campaign for President Barack Obama. What's the impression you have of the job he's doing in this whole healthcare debate that's going on right now in Washington?
I'm very, very pro-healthcare. Most countries have some sort of healthcare system, and it's ridiculous that we don't, or that ours is, that people are bickering over something that we should have had a long time ago. I just think that I'm of the opinion that those in the medical fields and those various pharmaceutical companies need to work with doctors and nurses and hospitals more preventative medicines and ways of making it possible for people to be more healthier, as opposed to them getting on medicines that are just band-aids to the problem. And it's very, very expensive, very, very expensive. And so I think that we have to find something that is going to work, particularly when in a lot of places, certain countries, healthcare is free. So.
And the president's popularity has been declining since this whole healthcare debate has begun. What do you think is the reason for that, and what do you think about the job he's been doing?
Well, I think as far as his popularity decreasing, I think it's because people are so they're so afraid of change, and I think you have politics playing too much a role in what should be a natural given, that healthcare in this country needs to be improved, and that's just a reality. There are people who use various technology for them being physically challenged, and they can't get the insurance companies to pay for it, but in fact it helps them with their everyday living. The technology, like the technology with the iPhone, and how now it's so very accessible for those who are visually challenged and physically challenged, that can, and those who are deaf. The technology is available for them to have this, which makes them then more independent. And if they become more independent, they can do things to then be more independent and have a chance to take better care of their life and their living. So I think that whenever we have change, whenever someone says, okay, listen, I know you've done it for this long, but it's time for things to be different. And you're going to have people that are going to do everything they can to challenge and be negative to what is really needed in this country.